The majestic cardinals, a glimpse into the world of nature's royalty. In the world of avian wonders, few birds captivate the human imagination as profoundly as the cardinal. With its vibrant plumage and melodious song, the cardinal stands as a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of nature. In this article, we delve into the fascinating world of these magnificent creatures, exploring their physical characteristics, behaviors, cultural significance, and the profound lessons they offer to humanity. The male cardinal, with its brilliant scarlet feathers, is a sight to behold. Its striking coloration is not just ornamental, it serves a purpose in the bird's survival. The vivid red hue allows cardinals to identify each other amidst dense foliage, acting as a form of communication in their natural habitat. Females, while less vibrant, showcase a delightful mix of subdued reds, browns, and grays, displaying nature's artistry in a more subtle manner. Cardinals are renowned for their melodic and rich songs. Their clear, whistling notes echo through forests and gardens, marking their territories and attracting potential mates. The male cardinal's song, often described as a series of sweet, loud whistles, is a staple of many North American landscapes. Their music adds a delightful tune to the daily orchestra of the natural world. Cardinals are known for their strong family bonds and monogamous relationships. Once they find a mate, they usually stay together for life. Their commitment to each other is not only heartwarming but also a reminder of the power of loyalty and devotion in the natural world. Throughout history, cardinals have held symbolic significance in various cultures. In Christianity, these birds are often associated with spirituality and renewal, their red plumage representing the blood of Christ and the vitality of life. In Native American traditions, cardinals symbolize vitality and are considered messengers between the living and the spirit world. The cardinal's presence in cultural and religious contexts highlights the universal fascination humans have had with these magnificent creatures. Cardinals, with their resplendent appearance and harmonious songs, can teach humanity valuable life lessons. Their vibrant colors remind us of the importance of standing out, being confident in our uniqueness, and embracing our true selves. Cardinals, with their resplendent appearance and harmonious songs, can teach humanity valuable life lessons. Their vibrant colors remind us of the importance of standing out, being confident in our uniqueness, and embracing our true selves. Cardinals are not just birds, they are living works of art, embodying grace, beauty, and the wonders of the natural world. As we observe these majestic creatures, let us be reminded of the profound lessons they impart and the inspiration they bring into our lives, urging us to appreciate the extraordinary beauty that surrounds us every day.